In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Duckduckgo for beginners. If you're new to Duckduckgo and want to learn the basics of navigating the browser and using its privacy-focused features, this tutorial will help you get started. Duckduckgo is designed to provide a simple browsing experience while helping reduce online tracking, making it a great choice for users who value privacy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential features you need to know to start using Duckduckgo confidently. To begin, open the Duckduckgo browser on your device. Once the browser launches, you'll notice its clean and straightforward layout. The interface is designed to keep things simple, making it easy for both new and experienced users to browse the web without unnecessary distractions. At the top of the screen, you'll find the search and address bar. This is one of the most important parts of the browser because it allows you to search the web and visit websites directly. Simply click or tap the bar, enter a search term or a website address, and then proceed. Duckduckgo will display search results and help you find the information you're looking for quickly and efficiently. As you browse, you can open multiple tabs to keep different websites available at the same time. To view your open pages, select the Tabs button. From there, you can switch between websites, close tabs you no longer need, or organize your browsing session more effectively. Using tabs is a convenient way to multitask and keep important pages accessible. One of the standout features of Duckduckgo is its focus on privacy. While visiting websites, you may notice privacy-related information that provides insight into tracking activity and website privacy practices. These indicators can help you better understand how websites interact with your data while you're browsing. You can also customize your experience by opening the browser's Settings menu. Inside the Settings section, you'll find options that allow you to adjust privacy controls, appearance preferences, and other browser features. Taking a few minutes to explore these settings can help you tailor the browser to your personal preferences. Another useful feature is the Fire button. This tool allows you to quickly clear browsing data and close your tabs whenever you choose. It's a simple way to remove browsing activity and start fresh with just a single action. As you continue using Duckduckgo, you'll become more familiar with its features and tools. Its clean design, easy navigation, and privacy-focused approach make it an excellent browser for everyday web browsing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.